Okay guys, touch and feel exercise, as many touches as possible. We made a bet with Bartas that he's gonna make 100 points. So how much do you have right now?
46 now.
Okay, so 54 left. So let's go. You see, Stanton even keyboard doesn't move.
And 15.
50, yeah?
50, yes.
Okay, 51, soon, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. You know, we're learning how to be soft and don't to play the shots too hard. 50. We're just having fun with this exercise. You can do by yourself, you know, if you want to improve your touch and feel, especially good if you want to make successful snookers. Exercise taken from the English billiards routine. How much?
70.
Okay, 30 left. Probably I'm gonna lose a bet. I will buy him a chocolate, anything what he likes. He's feeling a little bit tension in his arm, but it's fine, you know, like 30 left. Come on. You're doing a great job. So it's good for the hand-eye coordination, you know? Perfect, mate.
Wait.
How much? 80?
8.
Okay, 20 left. 20 left. Come on, mate. Doing a great job.
Ten left.
Okay. Nice one, mate. 5 left. 6, 7, 8, 9. Crazy, mate. Well done. You deserve it.